Hey guys, what's up? So this is a weird time to start a vlog because I'm in a gas station right now. A gas station and it's raining. I'm going to the gym because I'm gonna start the vlog. We're going to the gym, like my workout. Look at the rain. Like I'm stuck here. I just found Aaron there. Aaron like that. He's sitting there. I got this guy. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go to the gym and show you my workout routine. Yeah. So I'm just telling you guys I have a coach because I still don't know how to like do all this stuff. I have a coach that's teaching me to do stuff. So yeah, I will see you guys in the gym when the rain is done. Because I'm soaking wet right now in the rain. Yeah. What's up guys? I'm in the gym with Aaron. And Aaron.
What's up guys? It's your boy
So
Aaron.
he will film me today.
Huh?
You'll be my cameraman.
Yeah, I'm Brandon's cameraman today. So, yeah. Anyway, so Brandon,
Yeah, I'm gonna do this thing.
what are we doing today?
What is this called?
This is the bench press.
Bench press. I'll do this. Here's Harold. My gym partner is also changing because he's done. And he will be my trainer.
What's the weight you're doing?
Doing this 15 pounds. Is this pounds? Yeah, pounds each. And then I'll go higher every set. Right? Yeah. So guys, we're adding more weight because it's too light. Yeah, we're adding more weight.
Adding more weights, bro. Yes. Let's change it to 25. Nice one. 6. Go.
So Aaron's doing his workout right now.
I need to like balance. Yeah, like right here.
Oh, you want this?
This is Harold. He's 17 years old and look at his body. Look, that's 17 years old right there.
Coach Jimmy is very good.
Yeah, our coach is like training someone else, and also he will be my trainer for today. Something. Look at Aaron.
Alright. Getting trained by a 17-year-old.
Aaron's getting trained by a 17-year-old.
Nice one. Hero. Wait, let me explain. Come on. So this is not 100 pounds. No. This is 100 pounds. How much is this? With no spot.
With no spot my head. My guy would die.
bro. I said no spot. Okay.
All yours, man.
The Jimmy's face.
That's great. Let's go.
Oh my.
Let's go. That's fine. Let's go. Guys.
How many reps? Alright, 8 reps. You rep, bro. Fuck.
Okay, your turn.
7 and 8,
Okay.
anyone?
Oh, my chest is dead.
What are we doing?
Let's go, Aaron. Okay, now we're on the other one. This is an inclined one, so it's different. And the bar is much more heavier than that bar. So we're doing it without the weights. And then the next set we're gonna put the weight. So let's go, boys. Let's go. Go. Yeah, it's just dead, bro.
Time to move on.
Time to move on.
Something else.
Oh my god.
We're gonna do 12.
So Kim, Ate Kim, and Kuya David is here. They're doing workouts with us.
I don't get it. How you guys not wet?
We are. We are.
It's raining so hard.
Yeah, it's like it was raining, and I was driving the bike.
We had a raincoat on and I'm still soaked.
I had to do my intro in a gas station.
Oh, that's good.
Let's go. Let's go.
Aaron has a new phone.
Guys, new phone.
It's a Nokia.
Nokia.
It's got an aux.
And he forgot to download the snakes game.
I know, it's bad.
Your Type C as well.
Yes. We all got Type C now.
Type C gang.
Headphone jack, Type C. I don't know the specs though, but it's Nokia 5.3. That's the name for it.
It's very light. The phone is like
So
very light.
And it's slim as well.
It's still
Now I
raining.
need to buy a case.
That looks like the same color as my sister. I was like, what
I know, right?
Kim, Ate Kim is so serious. We were talking about going to Manginasal after gym. And Aaron's like, yeah, let's go Manginasal. Yeah, bulking. Let's go, Aaron. Let's go, Aaron. Let's go.
Let's go, Brandon. Let's go. I know. Alright, so I'm Aaron. I'm a recovering addict of Tang juice. No problem trying to come up with a bit. This is David. Subscribe to our channels. Aaron and Larry. I forgot. What channels do I have? Aaron Leggett and Aaron and Cindy.
But
first of all, subscribe to this guy.
Yeah, Brandon Phillips, he needs it.
Brandon Phillips.
He needs it. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look. Alright, let's take the spotlight for you, David. Come on. There we go. Alright, so anyway, guys.
There you go, Brandon.
Yeah, there you go, Brandon. Shouting you out on your own channel.
What's up, guys? So we're done doing gym, and we're going to where was it? Altoras.
So we just finished our workout with Aaron. Aaron's in
Yeah.
the...
Cindy's not here.
No, I mean, Aaron is in the counter
Yeah.
waiting for us in the reception area in the gym. So yeah, we just finished changing. We're gonna head up to Alturas to get some snacks, right?
We're eating snacks there, and then yeah, that's it.
I thought
And Soy Boys are outside, but I can go outside because there's music playing, copyright. Yeah, so I'm doing the vlog here. So
is this the Bisaya challenge vlog or no?
no,
Oh.
it-
It's just a day in the life.
yeah. So by the way, guys, what I'm gonna name the bike. So comment down below what should I name the bike. Yeah.
And also comment down below for your video ideas. Give some
Yeah, video ideas, guys. I need video ideas. So
Comment
yeah,
down below
comment
if you
down
wanna
below.
see Brandon do anything, guys.
Yeah, some challenges.
The
and
next
stuff.
vlog.
Next vlog. So yeah, see you there. Yeah, guys, we're at Altoras.
Oh shit, I'm in ice. Oh snap. Hi.
So we're gonna eat.
SPG.
We're snack attack. We're going to snack attack. There.
The blind goat.
Oh my god!
The blind goat's there.
Oh snap. Hi.
Yeah, we're going to snack attack. We're gonna eat.
I'm David and he's Aaron and we're Davon.
Hello, Brandon fans.
Hi Brandon.
June fan. Subscribe.
Yeah, we're gonna eat. And then after we eat, nothing really. So I think I'll. Yeah,
So
just gonna eat and then
you might
we'll
end the
do
vlog
nothing.
here, right? Oh, this is the skin.
Yeah, this was the Skin Into One. So thank you, Skin Into One, for
Shout out.
sponsoring me. Shout out. And yeah,
Hey, maybe you can help me. I got acne a lot. Skin 91. Skin 911 guys.
snack attack. Oh, no free brand deals.
Huh?
No free brand deals. We can show.
Oh.
Where's
Guys,
Daiso?
is down here.
Okay, I gotta go sit there.
Okay, where are we buying? What's up, guys? So we're done ordering our food and we're just waiting now.
What'd you get again?
Shawarma.
Shawarma. You get you
Yeah,
got shawarma. I got the shawarma with milk tea. So
Yeah. And Kim went to Daiso.
I think this is my first time here, but yeah, honestly.
Yeah, it's my first time also.
First time at Snack Attack.
And where's Ate Kim? Went to Daiso, no?
She had to buy clips for her makeup, I guess. Makeup bracket because she has makeup bracket.
Oh my god, girls.
Yeah.
Girls. So we're just waiting for the food, so
Probably see you guys when it's here, right?
yeah. I'm so hungry right now.
After workout food,
Yeah, food.
not good food. We need healthier food, bro.
Yeah, we need to be healthy more.
This is not healthy, bro.
Look at this new phone.
Flex.
Playing chess.
Flex.
Why you play chess?
He has this new phone and he plays chess.
Yo,
No Mobile
I'm
Legends.
gonna say
No COD.
I've been watching Queen's Gambit on Netflix.
Ah,
Does this have dual speakers?
Yeah.
Huh? It comes from the top and the bottom.
No, just phone.
Oh,
No dual, yeah. And then dual SIM, SD card slot. Alright. Cheers, mommy.
This is mine now. Thank you, Tita. It's mine. Sorry, Aaron.
Snap there. Cindy's got my iPhone, David's got the Nokia watch.
Yes.
I got a cracked iPhone 6.
Thank you, Tita Ellie, for this new phone that you gave to me, not to your son.
Okay.
We all got our food.
And mine is almost done. Alright,
Just too busy eating, guys.
by the way, guys,
Say hi to your fans, bro.
my beard is growing. Look.
I noticed that this morning, sa ubos ka.
Yeah.
It's just more in the bottom part, no?
Yeah, it's growing. and I like it. I'm not having it.
There you go.
Yeah.
I can save it like in one lunch, but I think now.
Aaron's already finished. I thought I could eat fast.
This guy goes to gym and then eats a lot.
Whoa.
Gym was useless. We went here after.
Don't say it like that, bro.
We waited an hour, then we came here.
Yeah.
We had a hard time in the gym.
Yeah, this is like reward. This is like a reward for us. Yeah.
And then in the gym.
You're chess. You're playing chess in the gym.
With his new phone, his new, brand new phone,
So many cards.
he played chess. Disappeared. Aaron,
That's a rich
Why do you know
Aaron's
That's 42 pesos.
I want to read
42 pesos. I can get this like in Cebu for 8 pesos. Oh my god, I went to Cebu just to show my...
Hey, we should do that video. Going to Cebu to eat siomai.
Oh my god, what is that?
That's just stupid.
Oh my god, why are you
But let's do it.
stupid? I did not know.
Go stupid, but let's do it.
I went to foreign Tisa Cebu, show my capital.
And the worst part, guys, she lied. She never told me
I
anything.
didn't tell anyone. I didn't tell my parents again.
No, you got your own phone.
Oh my god, you're so... Oh my god, Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is a crisis.
This is on my 42 pesos.
Hey guys, so we're gonna end the vlog here. So bye.
Bye.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more videos, and comment for video ideas. So